tōku whakaaro mō te Pākehā, tauiwi rānei.
Tauiwi rānei, ai.
Mai moko.
I would say it's all right. Don't need to get my head chewed off for that. For me, it's about the person who wears it and how they wear it.
E hara I te pai kia hau e maumoko Pākehā, nā te mea, ko te taonga tuku iho mō tā tātou tūpuna. Koena.
E hara I te mea me whakai au, kai ia tangata o nā no whiriwhiringa. Ka kē ake ahau, me mea kai roto I tō whakapapa, te toto Māori, e toto Māori tuku iho mai ngā mātua tīpuna, ka whakaitia.
For Pākehā to get moko, as long as they respect it and uphold the mana of our sort of designs, because these are ancient designs that I'm going to put on you to represent your whānau or your haerenga or your journey, as long as it's not on the face, because that's ours to keep, that's our taonga.
As long as they understand that moko is for Māori and kirituhi is for non-Māori, and certain things should be just reserved to us, like pūhoro e mataora.
It's exclusively ours. You know, those are the most powerful forms that connect us to our tupunua, to our world, to our Māori, and a lot of our people agonise over their deservedness to receive those gifts. If our people are agonising over taking that on, there's very few situations where I could justify a non-Māori.
He whakapapa anō te tā moko kia ngai tātou. Ko te tā moko mo ngā iwi take ake, mo te tā moko hoki kia ngai tātou te iwi Māori. Mā te Māori mō te Māori, ko te kaupapa nui, ko te Māori ke, te tangata e mau nei I tērā kaupapa. Ko te reo, te take.